Writing style engaging. Hey everyone! So I decided to take on quite the challenge this past week. I dedicated a full 7 days to decluttering my home. And wow, was it an eye-opener? Let me take you through my journey, the highs, the lows, and the surprising outcomes. Day 1 kicked off with enthusiasm. I started with my closet, a place I avoided for months. As I dug through layers of clothes, some of which I hadn't seen in years, the pile of to donate items grew. And you know what? It felt liberating. By day 3, I tackled the kitchen. Old spices, mysterious frozen objects in the back of the freezer, and enough plastic containers to start my own store. Yep, they had to go. The rule I followed? If I haven't used it in a year, I probably never will. This simple guideline made the process so much smoother. Halfway through the week, I hit a wall. The living room, with its shelves of knickknacks, seemed overwhelming. But I took a deep breath, put on some motivational tunes, and got to work. Sorting through books and old DVDs, I realized how much my tastes and interests have evolved. And as the space cleared, so did my mind. By day 6, something unexpected happened. I began to feel lighter, not just physically, but mentally too. The spaces around me no longer felt cramped, but intentional. Each item I kept now had a purpose or brought joy. And isn't that what we all want from our homes? On the final day, I stood back and looked around. My home didn't just look different, it felt different. Cleaner spaces, clearer surfaces, and a surprising amount of freed up energy. I even had friends asking if I'd renovated. So, what's the takeaway from my decluttering week? It's more than just tidying up. It's about reclaiming your space and, in a way, your peace of mind. Would I recommend this challenge? Absolutely. It might just change the way you see your home and yourself. If you're thinking about starting your decluttering journey, just go for it. Take it one day at a time. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Thanks for joining me on this decluttering adventure. And here's to creating spaces that truly feel like